Hello friends, my name is Shohini. Welcome to my channel GK World. Friends, in this video I will share with you 35 most important current affairs in December. So don't waste your time. Let's start. Question number 1. India ranked third in the Asia Power Index 2025. Which country topped the index? Right answer is option B, United States. Question number 2. Where was a 70-foot iron statue of footballer Lionel Messi unveiled? Right answer is option A, Kolkata. Question number 3. Where will India's first power museum be developed? Right answer is option C, Patna. Question number 4. Where was the 14th Olympic Summit held? Right answer is option D, London. Question number 5. Which city recently topped the global pollution ranking with an AQI of 353? Right answer is option D, Lahore. Question number 6. Which state launched the Mukhyamantri Shikho Kamao Yojana for youth skill development? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 7. Which Indian bank launched the Green Deposit Scheme for Sustainable Project? Right answer is option D, State Bank of India. Question number 8. Who was the first Muslim woman to preside over the UN General Assembly? Right answer is option C, Begum Qudsiya Aizaz Rasul. Question number 9. Which state announced the launch of the Chief Minister Ladli Behna Yojana 2.0? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Question number 10. Which Indian state recently topped the Niti Aayog's State Energy and Climate Index 2025? Right answer is option C, Jharkhand. Question number 11. When is International Tea Day celebrated globally? Right answer is option A, 21st May. Question number 12. ISRO successfully launched which communication satellite in December 2025? Right option is option A, GSAT-20. Question number 13. Which country hosted the Sharp U-17 Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, Nepal. Question number 14. India won which medal at the Sharp U-17 Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, bronze. Question number 15. Which Indian city will host the Global Bio India 2026 event? Right answer is option C, Guwahati. Question number 16. Where will the World Future Energy Summit 2026 be held? Right answer is option D. Singapore. Question number 17. When is the National Energy Conservation Day celebrated in India? Right option is option C. 17th December 2025. Question number 18. Who took oath as a Chief Minister of Maharashtra in December 2025? Right answer is option B. Devendra Fadnavis. Question number 19. Which Indian actress became the brand ambassador of L'Oreal Paris India? Right answer is option D. Alia Bhatt. Question number 20. Who was appointed as the new president of the Indian Football Association? Right option is option A. Suresh Chetri. Question number 21. Which continent was declared malaria-free by who in December 2025? Right answer is option D. South America. Question number 22. Which airline announced the launch of daily direct flight services from Mumbai to Kathmandu? Right answer is option D. SpiceJet. Question number 23. Which tech giant unveiled Willow, a quantum chip with breakthrough error correction? Right answer is option A. Google. Question number 24. Which team won the ICC U19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B. Bangladesh U19. Question number 25. The Haryana government has announced 5% reservation in jobs and education for which category? Right answer is option C. Persons with disabilities. Question number 26. Which country topped the Global Slavery Index 2025? Right answer is option A. Thailand. Question number 27. Who became the highest paid athlete in 2025 with earning of $275 million? Right answer is option D. Cristiano Ronaldo. Question number 28. Which Indian chess player became the world's youngest at 18 to cross to 800 elo rating? Right answer is option B. Arjun Irigashi. Question number 29. Who has been honored with the 2025 Champions of the Earth Award? Right answer is option D. Sunita Narain. Question number 30. When is Human Rights Day observed every year? Right answer is 10th December. Question number 31. When is Indian Navy Day celebrated every year? Right answer is option C. 4th December. Question number 32. DRDO handed over how many indigenous technologies to armed forces in December 2025? Right answer is 7. Question number 33. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed every year on which date? Right answer is option B, 9th December. Question number 34. Which union minister launched the Jal Shakti Hackathon 2025 in New Delhi? Right answer is option B, C.R. Patel. Question number 35. Who became the first world leader to receive Ethiopia's highest civilian award? Right answer is option B, Narendra Modi. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.